welcome back to another video. It's your girl Sakieya, aka Kai. um, if you're a returning subscriber, hello. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the YouTube family. As you can see, Shorty head was a mess. We getting into a twist out today, honey. I really needed to wash my hair this day. I was contemplating, but I just went ahead and did it anyway for the girls, you know what I'm saying? So I went ahead and washed my hair with the Lotto Body shampoo. It was the Restore Me kind with the milk and honey, and I washed it about 2 or 3 times, give or take, just to make sure I got all of that dandruff and buildup out of my hair and out of my scalp. I decided to detangle my hair after I washed it with the co-wash from Lotto Body. I know I'm not sure if you're supposed to detangle it or whatever, but I made my own rules, so yeah. I did that. I lost some hair here and there, of course, but I could definitely tell a difference with the co-wash in between the shampoo and the conditioner. If I could, I probably would have left the co-wash in my hair all day or used it as a wash and go. But after I combed my hair through fully and shook my head a little bit, I did have to go tend to my son. So, yeah, we'll be back. So, at this point, I have finished putting the co-wash in. Thank you. Get out. I put this in and I left it in and say for 35 minutes, but it's really been like 30, if not more. And I'm about to wash it out, and then I was gonna roll my hair, but I don't really feel like doing all that. So I think I'm gonna just two-strand twist it and wear it like that for a few days. After I rinsed my hair out, and got all the co-wash out, I did go through and put the Lotta Body conditioner in. I tried to make sure my hair was definitely saturated from root to tip because I needed all of the what is the word I'm looking for? I need all of the moisturizer in my hair that I could get. That is crazy. I had to make sure and double check that Davion didn't put any holes in my shower cap because he's a boy and boys just be doing stuff. I don't know about you, but mine does for show. Um, Speaking to my moms out there anyway. But after I put my shower cap on and stuff, I did decide to deep condition it. I used a hooded, not even a hooded, I don't know what kind of thing this is, but I got it a few years back, and you have to hook it up to a handheld blow dryer. So I did decide to deep condition it for about 15 minutes, give or take. Um, I really need to invest in an actual hooded dryer because this one, it served its purpose a few years ago, but now it just keeps lifting up every time I try to use it, and that is low-key kind of annoying. Um, and yeah, it just doesn't work. So I'm gonna be working on getting that for myself. But once I did that and rinsed that conditioner out, I did go through and just part my hair. Not even really part. I just took strands of hair and twisted them because I was gonna take these twists out so they didn't need to be perfect. Excuse me, y'all know I be getting tongue tied. I swear I think I talk with my tongue. But at this point, y'all already know what it is and y'all know what it ain't. But I did have to water my hair a little bit, and I went through with the Carol's Daughter hair milk just to give it some more some more moisture, and then I just finally twisted it all up, um doing that process over and over. But If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, leave a comment on how you think I did. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Um, and just join the family. Like, come on, y'all. We one big happy family, virtually, of course, but it's all good. Um, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed the turnout. If you do try the same method that I've tried for this particular twist out, go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know how you liked it or if you didn't like it, or shoot, y'all can leave me some tips on what y'all do for twist outs, or for your hair if it is low porosity and has trouble retaining moisture. But yeah, let me go ahead and get off this microphone and I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this video. Peace out.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for some